It on?
Yes.
Perfect.
Hi.
We're here at Brighton Ski Resort, and we're at the top of Snake Creek. My beautiful wife Jen is hanging out. We're gonna follow her down, and I'm gonna try her iPhone. And there's Jen. I already like it. It's already clean.
Which way are we going?
We're gonna go that way. First left. First left, and then just kind of curve around.
Okay.
You know, we don't take that cat track to the trees. We'll just curve around and go through Ziggy's, and then, you know, not have to get stuck.
Run?
Yeah. And then just go down to Snake. Yeah, does that sound good?
Sounds good.
Okay, Jen.
Do it.
Okay, we'll let these couple passes go by here. Okay. Jen is riding a Nitro Fate 150. And here we go. Brighton's finest right there. Right there. Okay, here we go. Oh, it got chewed up yesterday. Oh, that was just danger over there, but everybody's all driven through it and plowed through it, so now it's kind of stiff. Icy. Oh, it's telling us to go this way. All right, so be it. Usually like to go on these trees, but I don't think I'm gonna do it today. Let's catch up to Jen. Nice. She twinkles and glistens in the sun. I love it. This is my life right here. That's what's up. Legit. Oh. That was fun. All right, cool.
Nice.
Here's your phone. It's still rolling.
All right, bye.
Bye.